Man, that sight never gets old. What is going on, guys? Welcome back for another video here today. Today, however, though, we have a little bit of a kind of a DIY thing I think you guys are going to enjoy quite a bit. A while ago, well, I say a while, last year I actually posted a before and after picture of me just kind of quickly polishing up my exhaust tips, and I got so many messages asking how did I do that, and I was blown away because I thought, you know, it's a fairly simple task. However, today I'm going to actually get a little bit more in depth and try and get them to a pretty much polished finish. Pretty much, as you guys can see here, this has gotten a lot of basically just moist, you know, stainless over time just gets kind of looking like this. So we're gonna try, as you can see, I gave them a little bit of a clean like I said last year, but not anything proper. So we're gonna go ahead and give it the full treatment. I'll show you guys exactly what we need. And however, first things first, yeah. All right, there, it's on there. It is on there. Yay! See ya! Oh wait, what? These two, we need those to connect. What? Why is nothing flammable? Okay. There it is. Got the money shot. Alright, so now that we can move forward with our day. Whoa! Jesus! Good God! A little backfire there. So meanwhile, we got ourselves a little campfire. Don't worry. Kids, we are prepared. Safety first. Alright, so let's get the stuff we'll need here. Alright, so there are, I guess, a handful of ways you can do this. This is the way we're gonna do it today, and you know what? It is gonna work just fine. Now the fun part comes in, guys. We're gonna start with some sandpaper. Basically just gonna sand this into a shine. So we're gonna start off with some 400, get her sanded up, move our way up to 800, and then actually with the 1500, we're gonna go ahead and use some of this polish with it and do a bit of wet sanding. So I'll kind of take you guys along the process. You guys will see what this thing looks like. All right. Like I said, guys, we're gonna start off with some 400. There's a bunch of, dude, already it's like, what? It already changed the game. Just a quick heads up, if you guys do, you know, mad burnies, mad skids, and you end up with a bunch of asphalt or rubber on your exhaust, go ahead and grab yourself a little wire brush on a drill, zip those guys right off, and you're good to go. So, depending on what kind of look you guys are going for, right here, this is just with the quick 400 scuff. So if you guys want like a brush look, 400, maybe 600 to 800 tops, and you guys will be pretty happy with the result. Well, we're gonna go ahead and probably get it to a generally quite polished state. I think it would look pretty cool with our kind of whole scheme we got going on here. So, just back to it. Quick little progress update. So we're done with the first stage on the 400. Gonna leave this pipe basically clean and untouched, so we gotta get a good comparison. Looking already way better, but now we move up to the 800 and then the 1500 with the polish. That thing's gonna look like a mirror. Alright, progress update number 2. 800 grit still has not been touched, so as you guys can see, you know, we're kind of working with the comparison back here. Now is the time for, I guess, the final stretch here, and we're basically going to use some of this stuff here, which is just some kind of aluminum polish and some 1500 grit sandpaper. So rub a bit of the polish on here, sandpaper on top. If you guys get a little bit of clog, sorry, we're rocking this crap lens. It feels so, wow, this thing is absolute garbage. A little bit better. So yeah, so just a quick comparison, just some 400, 800. So I mean, you can see right here in this little trifecta of the different finishes. So like I was saying, we'll go ahead and toss some of the aluminum polish on the actual exhaust, and then sandpaper, and then obviously we have our bucket of water so that we can actually rinse out and unclog the paper, which it will get clogged because of the polish. So let's keep on rolling.
So did you think about having a meetup this year?
Oh yeah. Woo! Oh, hey there. You can kind of see me. It's a pipe, so it's kind of, we there. Yeah. So all right. Quick little top tip. The 1500 grit with the whole, if you guys want to get like a really nice finish, I was not able to achieve a really good mirror finish with the 1500 grit as I was able to just fully getting down and dirty microfiber elbow grease, and actually went in there and buffed it and then wiped it down. And guys, this is awesome. And this exhaust is pretty old. I mean, it's like 4 years old, getting on 4 years old. So I mean, it's definitely seen some road abuse and some mileage. So it's not going to be like perfect as if it were to be like a brand new pipe. I'm sure it could get it there, but you have to probably spend a little bit more time on lower grit to kind of, I guess, file out all the fine scratches. But man, oh man, she looking way better. Hasn't been touched, fully complete, 400 or something. Maybe that's 800. I think that's 400. So yeah, we'll finish up the rest and we'll get the thing installed. Oh baby. So I don't know if you guys remember exactly what these things looked like when we first started. I'll have a little shot of them right now, but they did not look this good. Now obviously guys, there are way better ways you can go about doing this yourself if you guys want a better finish. However, this video guys is just literally how to do it for free at home on your own. Now there are other ways you can do it for free. Baking soda, vinegar, soap and water sometimes does the trick, but this one I think is the way to do it if you guys are just on a budget. If you guys honestly could literally do this for free, most of you probably have everything at your house already. So yeah, I mean, they came out awesome. Just a little bit of kind of elbow grease. We did not polish. This is only hit with 400 and that was it. And then up here we did the nice full-blown 400, 800, 1500 with a nice polish. It's nicer without the branding there, you know what I mean? That was very, you know, we don't want that. I figured this would be a video that would kind of help you guys out there out. I know this is something that a lot of you guys could do to your car yourself. Just something to kind of, you know, just a little excuse to go out and do a little wrenching. But, you know, 95% of you probably have a stainless steel exhaust system on your vehicle, and if so, this is the perfect mod for you to give your car that little added touch. Now, you can, honestly, depending on how bad your muffler, like the actual material is, you don't have to do maybe even half the stuff I did. But, you know, you guys saw what it looked like. There was pitting, it was all nasty, there was a lot of marks. This thing is awesome. This thing is awesome. For a 4-year-old exhaust system to be brought back to life within a couple hours, I don't know, if that even, works with me. Woo-hoo-hoo. All right, fast forward, I would say probably a good week or two. So the whole exhaust came out awesome, really satisfied on the finish, guys. Obviously, if we had like a buffer or like one of those bench grinders with the buffing wheel on it, obviously would make things a whole lot easier. But you know, I just kind of wanted to show you guys how to do it for free at home, you know, with your hands. So as you guys can see, we actually just got back from the first drive on it. You guys should have seen the video by now, but we went ahead and got this all mounted properly. Check this out. Like, look at that. I don't know if it's coming up, but that thing is not even, I'm shaking the whole car. Yeah, so we originally mounted the exhaust. Thing is awesome. But yeah, just kind of a sense for what it looks like. Looks great. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this one. If you guys want to see more little quick DIYs, let me know in the comments. I'll see you guys soon. Subscribe, stay notified, buy a sticker. I'll see you guys later. Have a good night. Peace!